You looking to buy a home in Berkeley? Welcome to 2136 Stuart Street. Wow, what an adorable bungalow. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, 2 cars detached garage with ADU potential, situated on a large lot, has a lot to offer. Let's take a look. What do you think about the home so far? I love the craftsmanship detail this home has to offer throughout. And check out this cozy backyard with plenty of room for entertaining, gardening, and room to expand. Now this is a walker's paradise. With a walk score 90, you are centrally located, close to all the amenities on Shattuck Avenue, Berkeley Bowl, Whole Foods, local coffee shops, restaurant, shopping, parks, and school. We are less than 1 mile away from Bart, easy access to freeway. This home is such a perfect fit whether you commute or work from home. Hey, thanks for taking a tour, guys. I can't wait to show you in person soon. We're located at 2136 Stuart Street in Berkeley. For more information, please check out our website or give us a call. We'll see you here soon.